Hello everyone. Today I am going to do an unboxing of my latest addition to my Louis Vuitton collection. I ordered it online and it came in a box like this. So you can start with it. Let me see where, okay, that's practical. So you can, let me just open it. And there it is, ta-da! The receipt is there as well. It just says thank you for your trust with Louis Vuitton, and we hope that you are happy with your order, with your item. Since it's online, there is the option to return it, but who's gonna return it anyway? So the receipt is there. You see? It's the mini pochette accessoire Christmas collection giraffe. Very good. So that's how it looks. My online receipt. Let me put it back. And now let's go to the bag, to the pouch itself. So it's very nicely wrapped, and it's a new Louis Vuitton bag. It used to be brown, but now it's in like a yellow orange box, and with a blue ribbon around it, so it looks like a present actually, with even including a greeting card, I believe. Let me see, something yeah, it's like if you give it as a present, it's nicely wrapped already, and you can write your little note there. But since I bought it for myself, it's a gift for myself. Let's open it. Let's open it. So since this is a small item, it comes in a sliding box, because the bigger ones, they are like magnetic, which you can close it with a magnet in the front. So here it is. Let's see it. So it's inside the dust bag. Very good, very nice. And it's so nice and pretty. Here it is. Here it is. It's so pretty. The pink is like fuchsia pink, and it makes it so extra feminine with a pink touch, I believe. That's why I really like it. And since it's a limited edition, we know that it gets once it's gone, it's gone. So I'm really happy that I still managed to order it. And so the inside looks like this, and there is the